now we're here.
Oh, yeah. I put a similar video to this in my playlist, I think.
Great.
Headphone users
I'm glad we
informed.
got that on screen.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, is it every
Every take.
Oh.
every sound
sound.
effect?
Oh.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, this also reminded me of another domain I used to own, which was it'samemar.io. Oh, the cloud!
Huh.
This is perfect.
I'm learning so much.
I'm very afraid for what Mario's going to look like.
Let's go!
Why him got little feet? why him have such small of feet?
We just cracked 7.7 million lifetime.
Yeah, but this is more important.
No, I'm not saying we should get away from this.
Oh, no.
Oh, good lord.
Oh.
I gotta see what the first level looks
Yeah.
like, you know?
I want the paintings.
Paintings.
Show me those beautiful paintings.
Oh, the liquid effect.
Yeah.
There we go.
Please just... Yes! It's just called Erg. The tiny face on the bomb.
Ben, may I request a brief follow-up to the... Even the red coin!
The tiny
The chain jump!
The tiny face on
smoke.
the bomb.
Well, gotta get that star behind the chain chomps area.
Oh, yeah.
Important.
Oh, that's
You mean you gotta
upsetting.
get the thwomp behind the...
Yeah, the thwomp
Chain
behind the
thwomp?
The thwomp behind the thwomp?
Where's the star? Oh, there it is.
Holy cow.
Oh, that's perfection.
Ben, may I request a brief follow-up?
Yeah.
On the playlist, there should either be the Hi, I'm Daisy or Mario 64, but a random value has been added to every vertice.
Yeah.
Because there's a whole subgenre of these style of Mario 64 hacks.
Then we could do half A press.
Yeah, this giveaway is running for another half hour, or the art challenge is going for another half hour. We got time.
Oh, Lord Almighty.
Here we go.
Oh,
I mean, you could definitely skip ahead.
I may have a crisis. Get out of my head.
Yeah. And where's that chain jump?
Not going for the star, I see.
No.
Oh, they might be just gonna go take
Speed
out
run
the
it?
go up to the King
Speed run
Bomb
strat.
up
Take
top.
out the Daisy Womp at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just different levels now.
Oh, yeah, this one.
I love though that Mario 64 is so iconic that like we know what level
Oh, yeah.
they're on.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Like I wonder if they'll do that sick wall jump to get into the cage.
I didn't own a Nintendo 64, so I lost track of how much time I spent in the Walmart trying to get a single star before the 5-minute demo timer expired.
Right?
Oh no, the eel. The eel.
The eel.
Oh, no,
Oh my
please,
god.
no.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why are you farting your own face?
Eel, 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 eel.
Oh.
Oh, it's to the right.
I am Daisy.
Oh, they're not letting us see the eel. Ah.
Boo.
Very-
Burying the lead.
Show eel, you cowards. Oh. Oh no, the penguin.
The penguin? Oh, the penguin. The penguin!
Aw.
It's still cute.
Yeah.
Oh, flesh penguin.
I just
Technically, all penguins are
Those are
flesh
flesh penguins. Night Watch. Technically, all penguins are flesh penguins.
No.
The snowman.
Oh, the snowman.
Oh, the snowman is also cursed.
Well, thank you, Ben.
The
You're my
Frogman is also
favorite.
cursed. Wow, that